Get ready to have your mind blown. The iconic Porsche 911 Turbo S has gone hybrid. And it's not just fast, it's a game changer. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a hybrid supercar truly compete with its gas-guzzling counterparts on the track? Let's dive in. Porsche's latest masterpiece, the 911 Turbo S, now packs a staggering 701 horsepower, thanks to its innovative hybrid powertrain. This isn't your average upgrade. It's a revolution. With a 14-second improvement on its Nürburgring Nordschleife lap time, Porsche factory driver Jörg Bergmeister clocked an impressive 703.92. And this is the part most people miss. This wasn't achieved with extreme track-only modifications. Instead, Porsche focused on blending everyday drivability with jaw-dropping performance. Safety was a priority, as always. The car was equipped with a full roll cage, a containment seat, and a harness, standard for Nürburgring runs. Interestingly, some interior trim was removed to offset the cage's weight, which also explains the unusually loud roar for a 911 Turbo. Bold claim, this hybrid isn't just about speed, it's about redefining what a daily driver can do on the track. The powertrain is where the magic happens. The T-hybrid system, similar to the 911 Carrera GTS, but with twin electric turbochargers, delivers instant boost and energy recovery. Paired with a 3.6-liter flat-six engine and an electric motor, it churns out 701 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Even the tires, standard Pirelli P-Zero R N-Spec or Goodyear Eagle Supersport 3R, are impressive, though not Trek-specialized, making the lap time even more remarkable. Aerodynamics and chassis updates further elevate the Turbo S. Active shutters, a deployable splitter, adjustable diffusers, and a rear wing work in harmony with the 400-volt hybrid system for lightning-quick responses. Wider rear tires and larger carbon ceramic brakes ensure it handles as well as it accelerates, while the Turbo S's 703.92 lap time trails behind track-focused monsters like the Ford Mustang GT-D 652.072 and Corvette ZR1 650.763. It's important to remember, this isn't a GT3 RS. It's a car you could drive to work and then rip around the Nürburgring without breaking a sweat. Thought-provoking question. Is this the future of supercars or just a stepping stone? In a world where sub-7-minute laps are becoming the norm, the Turbo S stands out not for being the fastest, but for being the most versatile. It's a hybrid that doesn't compromise, a daily driver that can hang with the track elites. Controversial take. Maybe the real win here isn't the lap time, but proving hybrids can be just as thrilling. What do you think? Is this the hybrid supercar we've been waiting for? Or is there still room for improvement? Let's debate in the comments.